Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having a Kia Sportage or Kia Sorento and you need to remove or replace PCV valve. This is the positive crankcase ventilation valve. Stay with us, we'll explain how to do that. Also we'll explain how you can test them. Okay, we'll share the information with you if you need to find out if it's good or bad so you know when to replace it. So let's go ahead and explain how to do that now. So this should work on Kia Sportage and Kia Sorento different years. For instance, they start using it in early 2012 all the way to 2016-17 depending on the market guys. That's a 2.4 GDI engine. So before we start, let me introduce you to the channel. Every single car we get at the garage guys, we take them completely apart and we make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do all that? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep providing this free information to you. Also guys, if you want to buy parts or tools for a really good price and quick shipping as well, check out the link in the description of the video below and you can see where we get all our tools and parts from. Specifically, this is an engine out of a 2013 Kia that we'll be demonstrating on. And with that being said, okay, if you have a Kia guys or other vehicle, check our main channel Auto Repair guys. We have videos that have helped more than 120 million people guys, that can save you thousands of dollars. So let's start on it now. So this is guys the engine right here, okay, 2.4 GDI engine. Now I've been reading the comments lately guys, many of you ask me what computer we use for diagnostics, so I decided to share that information with you. I'll put the link in the description of the video below. It's an amazing computer that can pay itself off in one-time use. Okay, this is the one right here. Again, the link will be in the description of the video below if you're on the market for one, and Kia is right here. So PCV valves can affect your engine in multiple ways guys, so we'll need to go ahead and remove the upper engine cover. Most people never even know about those PCV valves guys. It's a valve that costs just a few dollars guys, and if you don't replace it you can cause multiple oil leaks such as oil pan gaskets, valve cover gaskets, crankshaft seals, things that are super expensive to fix in some cases. In another case it can start putting guys quite a bit of oil in the intake manifold, which can lead to a carbon buildup. It can lead to dirty throttle body, more coats, and it can even cause so much engine oil consumption guys that you may think that you need a new engine. And if you check your manual, I guarantee that on most cars it says that it needs to be replaced. On some we've even seen 40 to 60,000 miles. So how do you guys remove and replace it? You remove that hose right here. You get a 24mm socket, okay, and you need to just go ahead and unscrew it guys. Okay, just go ahead, unscrew it, and you will see the valve will come out. Okay, pretty simple. There is one seal that prevents oil from leaking out. Our valve is shot guys, okay. We'll have a video how to test it. If you want to see the video, it will be on the channel, how to test PCV valve on a Kia. So check it out and it will teach you. But this valve is shot and we have actually quite a bit of carbon buildup. We have a video that will be removing the intake manifold and the throttle body, and you can see how much carbon buildup and how dirty the valves are, because that valve caused enormous amount of oil consumption as well. So hopefully guys the video will be helpful to any of you trying to see where it's located and how to replace it. Just installation, you screw it back on, get it tight, not too tight. The torque specs are right here, 1.96 to 2.94 Newton meters, and install the hose. Make sure the hose is not cracked and it's plugged to the intake manifold, okay, right there, because if it's broken, okay, that will cause the system not to work correctly. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.